Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Webpreneur Academy. So welcome back to 2024. I've not been able to create any videos this year, so now I'm back to. So in this video I'm going to be working on creating a video on selling, how to sell your ebook on seller. So the part one of this video, this video is divided into 15 parts. So and this, in the part one of this video, which is this one, I'm going to teach you how to set up your seller account to sell ebooks. So let's dive into seller. This is seller right here. So I'm going to teach you how to create an account. So seller is actually a digital, is a very good website to sell your digital products online. So I'm going to click on start selling. So right now, input name, address which I have not created, then password. You must follow the guideline below. Follow the guideline below. So now I'm going to go to create a website, a new Gmail, which I'm going to use since I've already registered on it before. Then I'm going to add another account. So from there I'll create a new account. Then I'll put my name. Then I'm going to pause the video here, then resume after I've created the account. So right now I have created the Gmail account. Then I'm going to click this over here. Now click create account. Okay, mail. So I'm going to pause and input that. So right now, as you can see, I'm a creator. So now I'm going to click that. Okay, go to dashboard. So now it is verified. I'm going to go to my Gmail to pick my verification link. So this is it. Confirm. So now that I've verified it, I'm going to go back here and reload it. I'm just gonna copy this, then carry it over here, then paste it. Okay, now my email has been verified. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, then like this video. So in the next page we are going to start working on the dash. In the next video we are going to start working on the dashboard. See you.